What's going on, YouTube? We back with another video. Today we headed down to Royalty Exotic Cars. We're gonna get something special today. But before we go down there, before we get into all that, you already know the rules. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and trying to go up and up each day. You know what I'm saying? So if you can subscribe, like, comment, that'll help your boy out so much. But we can get back to what we had planned. So we are gonna head down to Royalty Exotic Cars. Today we're in the McLaren 570S, and we're gonna see what's that thing hitting for today. You know, we're gonna see, is it a car that I should buy? You know, I'm looking for a supercar. You know, I love Lamborghinis, but I gotta weigh all the options. You know, I gotta see what's going on with all the other cars. So we're gonna head down there, and then we're gonna be right back to it. Y'all leave your comments down below after y'all see the car and let me think, because y'all see I had the Huracan Evo, I had a Ferrari 488, and I had the Huracan 610 the other day. So y'all let me know what I should get after y'all see this video, and we're gonna get right back to it. The McLaren 570S. You know, oh, this joint quick. My man Mario said it's like an adult go-kart. There was no lie, son. Panel shifter modes on, you know what I'm saying? We out here switched up.
Hey, Ricky G, I love you.
Yeah, we came from the mud, so it's go how I rose up. From down bad to a bag, so they chosen. Since a youngin', always knew that I was chosen. I made mistakes as a child, but we grown up. I made a way, so they hate me, I don't blame them. But you been switching on me ever since the fame hit. Asking why I keep a K like it ain't dangerous. Why I can't have him around if you don't wanna spray shit. You think the money changed me? I'm just a young rich nigga going wild, I can't let nobody blame me. Bitch, I'm a young rich nigga who done went and turned a Honda to Mercedes. She wanna have my kids, all my niggas watching over me, I tell you what it is. Let her start a couple times, but she ain't staying in my crib. She can't trick me on my shit, she only get what I can give. See them other niggas working, but my niggas working harder. We built this boat to sail, but we ain't think it see the water. Watch and fell so many times, the money taught me to move smarter. They ain't one when I was starving, couldn't tell you how I got it. Treat it like a mystery.
Okay, so we back here at Royalty Exotic Cars. So like I told y'all earlier, we were coming down here to do some work, and I definitely got some work done because let me tell you a few things that happened here today. One, I met Jake Paul and Logan Paul's videographer, so he gave me some professional shoots. We got some scenes going down the strip, and we got a couple photos in a secret location that I can't disclose to y'all, but you know what I'm saying, I didn't come out here to play around. But you know, I told y'all I'm trying to be one of the top YouTubers. I'm trying to make my way to the top, and that's what I'm gonna do. I gotta work. And you know, honestly, I was just gonna do a video by myself today, and just rent the car, review it, you know, like do my own little thing. But what happened was, when I got here, he was sitting there and he introduced himself to me. Well, my boy Mario set it up, I guess, I don't know. And he was just sitting there talking to him, and then, you know, he was telling me all types of stuff that he does and everything, like pretty much giving me the hookup. So, you know, I got his number and everything. We're gonna stay in touch. And you know, I'm definitely gonna be seeing a lot more of me, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be working for real. So that was the McLaren 570S. And that thing is fun. I think it's fun. Mario said it's like an adult golf cart, and it really is, yo. I had the track mode on with the panel shifters. That thing was crazy, bro. Crazy, I'm telling you. And what else? So, it's also a convertible, so you know the top drop. It's a little small in there. The foot room, like from the brake to the pedal, is tight. That is one thing that was a little annoying because your feet are like sitting like this, like all scrunched up. But the car is definitely nice. When you turn the car off and get out, all you smell is jet fuel. That thing do be taking off like a rocket. But I'm about to go back in here and talk to them. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna get me squared away because we coming back. So it's like that's a gimme, bro. Let me see if I can find Mario. There's my guy. Here's Mario. Can I get you on the vlog?
What's going on, vlog?
That's my guy, Mario.
Yes,
He's been
sir.
taking care of me, man.
You already
Hey,
know.
appreciate it.
No doubt. How'd you like the car, man?
Like you said, golf cart for adults.
It's so aerodynamic. It's like pure, you know?
It is. It was fun. I had.
You do all your vlogging on the phone?
Yeah, I didn't get a camera yet, so.
Okay. That's next.
Yeah, you know, next stop, camera.
That's
my
easy,
man,
though.
Atwood.
What's up, man?
You know what I'm saying? You want to give them any business on where they come to? I tell them all the time, come here. Every time they come,
Yeah,
anytime
definitely
they come
gotta
to
come
Vegas,
here
man.
for sure. Even just to check out the cars and stuff. So
And I told Mario the one time, we getting that chicken nugget challenge in. we getting that chicken nugget challenge in.
I don't know, dude. I thought I was gonna die last time.
I can be that way, man. I got a stomach for real. It's just hard.
It's not even that, bro, because like he knows me. I can eat because I won the In-N-Out challenge when we did it.
Yeah.
But it's just the breaded nuggets, bro. They get to you after like 40. They get to you.
Yeah. I don't know. I gotta get back to practicing, man. You know, I had that week where I was.
practicing. We just went straight into
Oh,
it.
all right.
Practice.
Okay. You're right.
Oh, we can do a sushi challenge. I'll take you on that.
My girl's into sushi. I like sushi, but I'm not like a
Sushi challenge all day.
sushi competitor or something like that. But
I love sushi. Sushi, In-N-Out. Shoot, we could do the 2 Chipotle burrito challenge too.
2 Chipotle burritos. Let's try it.
Yeah,
I'm down. Oh, and my man Mario, he said he balls, so you know we're gonna get in that
We're
court.
gonna get hooping.
Yeah, we're getting on that court next week, and I'm gonna have to show him how I do. You know,
Yes, sir.
it'll be hard to stop. But yeah, you know, I appreciate all the help you guys gave me.